Hey YouTubers, one more quick video today while I've got my ride out drying off and making some changes. One of the things that, number one, I've been very pleased with this ride over the last year and 3 months or 4 months that I've had it. I haven't put on that many miles. I've been too busy at work, and finally I've decided to quit work a few months ago and take it easy for a while, and may have to go back to work sometime soon. We'll see. Anyway, I have had such a great time in this ride. It has been such a quality unit. I would say the only disappointing thing on this whole ride, the one hugely disappointing thing, has been my factory brush guards, my factory Nerf bars, rock sliders, whatever you want to call them. These things have not held up worth a darn. The metal itself has dented. You can see all of the dents underneath there, in there. Look how that back is bent up. This is supposed to be straight down, but it is bent up, and I come in there with a hammer here and try to hammer it back down, but because there's no additional support right here like on some of the other aftermarket ones, these things just bend up, and look, it's hitting the plastic on this side here. This is just from my last ride out there, and I didn't go too crazy with it. I hit a few rocks and bumps heading down, but look, same way on that side. That unit, you can see the creases in it. It's bent up down below, dented up like crap. I've never had this in any of my my rock sliders in any of my units before. Not pleased with this whatsoever. I'm going to have to replace this later on this year when I can afford to. But thought I'd give y'all a heads up. I wouldn't buy them. I'd go to the aftermarkets and look at something else. And no, I'm not planning on selling into the aftermarkets. The ones I can get my hands on, I don't like the quality of them either. So I do like the quality of a couple of those good manufacturers that wrap around or come out farther and wrap down in here with the secondary tube, and that really stiffens up that back and protects your back a lot more. So other than that, I have had absolutely no issues with this ride yet. Not one thing really broke per se, but I will tell you, these things have been up so many times because they're just not strong enough. The tubing, I think, is just too small, that literally my doors now rub and they don't close as easy. I've had to bend these down twice now and hammer them down twice to get the doors to even close with the lower door units on it. So I look forward to buying some new ones later on. And Can-Am, that's your first big mistake of the year, I think, on these things. They're junk. Anyway, thanks guys. Have a good day.